Hi friends, here you can see I have connected this EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens on this Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera using this EF-EOS R mount adapter. So here I am going to test autofocus on video mode. So let me turn on this camera. Okay, then you can see it's in video mode. So let me start recording. Okay, you can see recording has started. So let me check autofocus. I'm not going to press anything. See, autofocus is working. So this mount adapter is working very well. So I think this is a good performance. Okay, so let me stop the recording. Then play this. Let me play this recorded video. See, it's performing well. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.